YouTube. Welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Zingy manual coffee hand grinder. It comes with the storage bag, and this is the mini stainless steel. And it also comes with like a scoop and then cleaning tools. You could grind coffee beans, herbs, peppers, spice, or even if you have like a big pills that you need grinded to become a powder, you could also do that. There's like a different kind of grind type: coarse, medium, fine, and then espresso for the brewing method. Okay. So the item weighs about 11.04 ounce. And then the product dimension is 7.1 inch by 2 by 2 inches. Overall, the rating on this is 4.5 out of 5 star, which is pretty good. And first, this on the Amazon was in August 22nd, 2016. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. Make sure there's no invoice. Okay. So let me give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. Zingy coffee grinder, perfect for the home, ideal for travelers or campers. And it says a lifetime warranty. Ceramic, burr, stainless steel. Extra bonus, silicone grip, measuring spoon, storage bag, and then a cleaning brush. So compatible with the AeroExpress, Chemex, French press, Mocha pot, and all other brewing method. And this is made in China. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. So it comes with this scooper. It also has this alligator clip, pretty giant. The big clip right here. Maybe to clip it around your container or something. So it's nice scooper. And this is the hand crank. Oh, so this one, it comes with the stainless steel grip right here. The one it shows in the picture is plastic, so this is much better. So here is the cleaning brush. Come with this nice Zingy pouch with the draw cord. And come with the instruction booklet, how to use, and then how to adjust the grind level. So this one comes with this silicone grip for a better grip. So when you turn and stuff like that, in case your hand is wet, you will have a firm grip, okay? So it doesn't rotate. So there's a cap right here. This is where you crank it at. There's a cap where you put in your coffee beans or anything that you need to grind. And then you can take it apart because the silicone is covering the separation. And this is where all your grinding will go into. There's like a see-through glass. Not glass, but plastic. So you see through how much you have grind. And you got this Zingy logo right there. And this is where you adjust the chords, how fine you want. And you can take it apart. As you can see, it opens up bigger, so it is more coarse than fine. So every time when you turn, there's like a click. So make sure when you take it out, don't lose your screw. Oh, it's screwing with that washer or the nut. I don't want to take it out then. Hopefully it's not too late. Oh. Oh my God. Well, anyway, hopefully, yeah, there you go. So you can take it apart. Also, it's like spring. There's a spring pushing in and out right here. Let's see. Yeah, there's a spring inside there. Right there. So in case you need to take it out to wash it, that's how you do it. All right? And this one is the ceramic burr. And this is the detachable lid. And then a full stainless steel body. So I'm just gonna push in. Okay. You push this in, and then while you screw this in. Let's see where it make the clicking noise. So there's like a groove right here. So that's why I'm making a click noise with against this metal piece right there. So when you want to grind it with the fine, you want to push it in more, make it tighter. So as you can see, you got a less gap right there. So if you close up all the way, then nothing's gonna come out, okay? So I guess you just need to play with it. So there you go. That's why it's super fine or whatever, you know. All right, so you do pop your coffee beans in here, Starbucks or whatever that you want to grind, or whatever coffee bean from Costco. They sell some at the Starbucks too. And then just press this down. And make sure it's even level. And all you do is just grind it like this, or counterclockwise. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys like this video, and then give a thumbs up. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, and then turn on the bell for notification, and then drop any other comments below. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.